Hello everyone, my name is Vanaja and I am from Tadipatri, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh state. Currently I am staying in Bangalore and I completed my graduation BTech in the stream of Computer Science at Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technology, JSpiders Basavanagudi, and I completed my Java full stack course in JSpiders Basavanagudi. JSpiders is the best training institute for IT. And not only Java, I learned SQL as well as web also, and I learned advanced Spring and Spring Boot core, Spring MVC also, and my trainers and HRs helped me a lot to crack the interview. That's all. Thank you.